In today's video, I am going to teach you how to adjust Google Meet volume. First, adjust the master volume on your device. If you are using a computer instead, look at the speaker icon in your taskbar or menu bar. On Windows, you can usually find the speaker icon in the taskbar area near the clock. Click that speaker icon to open the system volume controls, and then raise the master volume slider. As you increase it, you should hear the level change based on your current audio output. While you are doing this, pay attention to two things that commonly affect hearing quality. One is whether the volume is completely muted. If the speaker icon indicates a mute state, unmuting it is the first fix. The other is whether you are increasing the correct output device. Once your device volume is set, you can return your attention to the Google Meet audio. Even though the steps here focus on device volume, this adjustment often solves the problem completely. At this point, you have done the core adjustment. You have raised the main volume that Google Meet uses for playback. To finish up, take a brief moment to confirm the audio level is comfortable for you. Listen for a few seconds to a familiar voice in the meeting, such as the host or the last person who is speaking, and make any small adjustments if needed. Small changes are often enough once the master volume is in a good range. And that covers everything you need to know.